Hello everyone. For this tutorial video, I'd like to discuss sectors of circles and ellipses, as well as prove the formula for the area and arc length of them. Geometrically speaking, a sector of a circle is nothing more than a slice of it divided by two radii, and an angle in between them, exactly like how a slice of pizza looks, i.e., it is curved on the inside, but it has a triangular tip on the outside. By definition of what a circle or ellipse is, a full rotation around one is 360 degrees. So it follows that if we slice it into, say, quarters, where the two radii are straight, non-slanted lines, that the area of one of the quarters individually would be 90 degrees, and would therefore have 1/4 the area. By the same exact logic, the circumference would have 2 pi r, the full circle, times 1/4 the slices it was divided into. Since 90 degrees is 1/4 of 360, we can see a universal formula for area is pi r squared times degree out of 360, and circumference would be 2 pi r times degree out of 360. Although generally, circumference is reserved only for a full circle, or ellipse, so the outer length or outer perimeter of a slice is called an arc length instead. For an ellipse, we still use the degree out of 360 trick, but remember, because the radius in an ellipse is different, the area and circumference formulas are also different. So we would have to make the appropriate replacements to analyze the slice of an ellipse. Now that we have analyzed the most basic type of slice of a circle, a sector, we can discuss the segment next, which can be thought of as a rectangular slice of a circle that is perpendicular to it. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.